Don't play it. I'm gonna teach you guys Winter Wonderscape for the winter time, I guess. We'll see what happens. I did my own DIY earlier. I got this sweater for you all. Google Ads is a thing that you may want to get for your own crafting projects. In the last video, you know, I had to stabilize my base.
You gotta stabilize the base.
And I just like didn't think about that. So I have this piece of cardboard. It's gonna be a base stabilizer. Look at it. And the whole thing will be built on here. And then you can display it in whatever fashion you enjoy best. So some of the things that I was thinking about mainly was cotton balls, because it reminds me of snow. And it just snowed here not long ago, and it's gonna snow a bunch more, so be ready. Like, and then the people will arise and take what's rightfully theirs. I found this piece of felt that also reminded me of snow. Everyone loves pipe cleaners, felt, roses. That makes snow people, right? Lots and lots and lots. And lots and lots and lots and lots of glitter. And more glitter. The whole thing is full of glitter. Rocks. And hot glue. Should I cut the felt to make like a pathway? I also have feathers. I don't know if that helps. So snow people. Because I want to make some trees. You just sort of have to work with it and let nature speak to you. Is this a river? What should we do? Let's use the felt glue because this is felt. Yeah, don't be shy. You want to apply a generous amount because you want it to stick. First piece of the winter scene. Yay! More snow. Kind of give it some shape here.
Post your trees in the comments.
That would be wonderful if you posted your trees in the comments. I'd appreciate that. How trees be? Right. I found these roses. These aren't roses. Yes, they are. Ooh, there's like minty ones. Let's just see what happens here. Or you could use these industrial cable ties. These make great spiders. But we're not making spiders. We're making snow people. I can't lie, that's not bad. You gotta be serious about your crafts. So in some way we need to make the people have forms and shapes so that like we can build the snow. Stabilize your face. Now I'm just gonna use this piece to wrap it around this, like this, to start making some legs. They're made of snow. This is snow. You get it. That should hold her. I'm just trying to make it look natural. Make little strips. Letting the felt talk to me on which direction it needs to be trimmed and you see that? Popped up. Spread it everywhere. It's great. Silver streams. Should stick around for the most part. Now to make the snow people a bit snowy. Okay, the end. Snow people.
Mm-hmm.
Just the little ends is sticking to your snowman like you would a snowman. Snow people. They're talking to me. This one wants a beanie. Draped through the trees. Leave the leaves. I love this. We put on a Lazy Susan and then just like spin around.